Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by opening Apple Maps and confirming location access. This gives live positioning. Next, pinch to zoom in or out and swipe to pan the map. Use 2 fingers to rotate if you need a different angle. Once done, tap the compass icon to quickly recenter and restore north-up orientation. Make sure to glance at the status bar for GPS accuracy. If the blue dot is fuzzy, move slightly outdoors to get a stronger signal before continuing. You should type an address, business, or coordinates into the search bar to center the map on a target. Then, select the map type, standard, transit, satellite, or hybrid, so you see the context you need. Satellite helps with terrain, transit shows routes. To inspect buildings, enable 3D or look around where available by pinching up with 2 fingers. This gives a realistic perspective. As you explore, drop a pin to save a spot, and swipe up the info card for details and directions. When you're ready to go, tap directions and pick driving, walking, transit, or cycling. Maps calculates routes and ETA. You can save any place to favorites or add it to a guide for repeated use. This keeps your key locations handy. If turn-by-turn voice or location looks wrong, make sure location services are enabled. Toggle Wi-Fi to improve accuracy, or force close and reopen the app. If problems persist, reboot your device. This often clears transient GPS or app glitches.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.